Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all are tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. Today's video, guys, we got two packages to open. One comes from Missouri, the other one comes from Kentucky. One from Kentucky is from Mr. Red Eye Patriot. He has a YouTube channel. Y'all go check him out. But it's a trade. I sent him a Ellaville show knife. The last one I had. It's in the mail today. But he sent me a knife. I can't wait to share this with y'all. And but I sent him an Ellaville show knife. The last one I had, it's a Stag Baby Barlow, which y'all know it. I'll show it to you. I'll bring mine off the shelf and show it to y'all. But the other one, guys, is from Missouri, from Mr. Justin Landis. Him and his son come to the Ellaville Knife Show, and they also come here in the Knife Museum. But Mr. Justin is having a Whatnot auction tonight, 8 p.m. I think it's 8. I'm sure it's 8 p.m. He's got the military hours on the show, though, at 2000. 18 is always 6 p.m. and 2000 is 8 p.m. But I'll share the link down below in the video description to carry you right over there, and you just hit that notify me when it starts, and it will. But again, he's having a Whatnot auction. I hope to be on there tonight. It all depends on what we got going on this evening with the grandkids and my wife. So who knows, right? Well, anyway, guys, I also want to share with y'all Mr. Kendall Stoltz. I got word this morning that he had to go to the emergency room last night. They admitted him. They're having emergency surgery on him. So y'all, please keep Mr. Kendall Stoltz in your prayers, please. And he's a good friend of mine. He come to the cabin here and met all the guys. But they're having emergency surgery on him because I don't want to get into details, but y'all just keep him in your prayers. So he's having a procedure today. Anyway, guys, thank y'all so much for tuning in today, and I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, guys, here's the package from Mr. Red Eye Patriot, and this is the package from Mr. Justin Landis. 855 knives on Whatnot. So we're fixing to open this one first. I'm opening it with my Kershaw Bel Air. Love this thing. Dear Kevin, Brady and I had a blast at the knife show. Finally being able to shake your hand was a pleasure. We met so many wonderful people. We bought, sold, and traded knives. We ate slow dogs. We were giving gifts, and most importantly, we met this way. Oh, that's cool, buddy. Thank you for saying that. We plan on coming back every year. Keep us in mind for a table if any are available in 2026. The show was awesome, but the tour of the Knife Museum was surreal. Thank you so much for inviting us and for gifting us knives. Merry Christmas to you and your family, and we will see you at the 2026 Knife Show. Thank you, Justin Landis from Missouri, and this is from his son, Brady. Dear Kevin, we had a great time at the knife show. We will see you at the next one. Hope you like the t-shirt. Hoorah, Brady Landis. Well, Brady and Justin, thank y'all so much. It was great to see y'all as well. But guys, they sent me a Boy Scout boot brush. Ain't that cool? I love that. With a bell. Looks like a knife. I love that. Thank y'all so much for this. And then they sent me a t-shirt. Look here. This is really cool, man. This is the raising of the flag on top of Mount Suribachi in Iwo Jima. How about that? And then there's a quote right here by Ronald Reagan. Some people spend an entire lifetime wondering if they've made a difference to the world. The Marines don't have that problem. President Ronald Reagan. Hoorah. Justin and Brady, buddy, thank y'all so much for this shirt. I love it. I really do. Thank y'all so much for the boot brush. I appreciate it, y'all. I appreciate y'all's friendship as well. Love this shirt, y'all. Thank y'all so much for it. Mr. Justin and Brady sent that t-shirt and the boot brush all the way from Faber, Missouri, 805 miles away from Ellaville, Georgia. Mr. Brady, Mr. Justin, thank y'all so much again for the t-shirt and the boot brush, the Cub Scout brush. Thank you so much, y'all, for supporting the channel. Appreciate y'all coming down to the Ellaville Knife Show. Thank y'all so much for everything. God bless y'all. Okay, guys, now we're fixing to open this package from Mr. Red Eye Patriot himself. Look at this. Army, Navy, Air Force, Marines, Operation Desert Storm, Operation Desert Shield, War in the Gulf. Check this out. What flag is this? Whoa, look at that. I know it's the Marine Corps flag, that digital camo. Man, it's huge. I might put this up on the wall up here, up on the wall as you go out above the front door, man. This looks good. I have to show y'all once we get done here. Look at there. That's cool right here. It says, thanks for the trade, Doc. Thought you would appreciate this flag. Couple stickers for the gang. Look under the knife mold. Love that right there. Very, very cool. Thank you so much. That's Red Eye Patriot, y'all. He's going up on my wall of fame. And here is a knife. This is so cool, man. Look at there. It's an excellent shape, too. Look at that bone. And that is a... Man, hear that snap? That is a 89. They took an 89 and made this knife. That's very cool. Look under the knife mold, he said. Whoa, what is that? Oh. Now, what he does, he specializes in making arrowheads and stuff. And look what he made. Holy moly. Is that not cool or what? You see the kind of work he does? Red Eye, see that? Beautiful work, man. I love that right there. That is so cool of you, buddy. Thank you so much. Check that out. And it's even got that saw edge right there, see? Beautiful, beautiful work, man. I love that. Love it, man. Thank you so much. But this knife, guys, we got to find room for it in here. You do beautiful work, man. Beautiful work. Let's see. This would be... Oh, hear that? You got to be careful. You got to be careful now when you're doing stuff like this. It will get you quick. Uh-oh, uh-oh. See that? Struggling. Yeah, I gotta go almost to the down to where it's closing. There we go. Let's see this one here. Man, beautiful, ain't it? And it's got where the map was, the invasion map. There it is right there, guys. Ain't that cool? That is the, actually it's controlling the skies. This shows where all the flights were going on in Desert Shield and Desert Storm. But I went right into Kuwait with 2nd Marine Division. And we got over there January 1st of 1991. We stayed in these little Quonset huts or barracks, I can't remember, for the first 2 weeks. Then we got our gear, meaning the 5-ton trucks, the Humvees, and the M198 howitzers. And we set off, we landed here, down in here somewhere. And we were training down here until February, till it started. And we didn't sleep or anything for 3 days once the ground war started. We moved for 3-4 days non-stop. we just set up, fired, moved, set up and fired, moved, set up and fired. And we stayed in the field the whole time. Once it ended, I think it was, I can't remember the exact dates, but when it ended, we stayed right near the Kuwaiti airport for until the last part of May. And then we had to go in and clean our trucks for 2 weeks, our vehicles, the howitzers, put them on a ship, and then we flew back home the first part of June. So, but there it is right there. That's part of my life I'll never forget, guys. It was quite an experience, and I appreciate you trading me this, man. I really do, Mr. Red Eye. Thank you so much, man. And guys, here's one of the knife like I am trading him. It's already in the mail. But there it is right here. It's got the Ellaville Knife Show made by Baron Son. And just a beautiful knife they are. Beautiful knives. But that's what I'm trading them, an Ellaville Knife Show for that. And we thank you for this too, man. I love it. I really do. Well, thank you again, sir. Hoorah. Okay, here's that flag, y'all. Love the digital camo on this thing. It's got USMC, First to Fight. Mr. Red Eye, thank you so much for this flag, man. I'm going to try to find a spot up here on the ceiling, probably right when you go out the door here. I've got something else to hang up there too, so that's coming soon. But I love this, man. I really do. Appreciate you, buddy. I love the arrowhead. I love that knife, man. I love this flag. Thank you so much. Mr. Red Eye Patriot sent that trade all the way from Crab Orchard, Kentucky, 486 miles away from Ellaville, Georgia. Mr. Red Eye, buddy, thank you so much for the trade. Love the knife. I love the arrowhead, and I love that flag. Thank you so much for everything, buddy. Appreciate you supporting the channel. Can't wait to see you again in Danville coming in July. God bless you, man. Well, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video today. I want to thank Mr. Justin and Brady Landis. I want to thank Mr. Red Eye Patriot. Thank y'all so much. Remember, Justin has a Whatnot auction tonight, 2000. That is 8 p.m. Central Time or Eastern Time. I don't know. That's just what he has on his page. I don't know if he's going by Eastern Time or Central Time. He's over there in Central Time. So, again, the link is down below in the video description. Click on it. It'll carry you to the show, and you can hit notify me when it starts. So, there you go. Anyway, guys, also, I found me a table to go in here. I think I got to measure it. I've got an electrician coming over next Friday. They're going to be putting me some outlets in here, and we're going to be ready to launch this here real soon. I can't wait to share with y'all. And guys, I'm going to be having a charity auction for Across the Maps Missions and Ministries. I'm going to try to do it sometime next week. It ain't going to be a real big auction, but we're going to have some knives, and whatever we make, minus the Whatnot fees and shipping fees, we're gonna give it to Across the Maps Mission and Ministries. And then the next week we're gonna have another auction. I'm gonna have some pretty good case knives and stuff like that, and it's just gonna be I'm trying to get rid of some knives out of my personal collection to buy a nice knife set. So I'll be sharing all that with you. I'm buying that knife set toward the end of the month. So it's going to be cool. Can't wait to share that with y'all as well. Anyway, guys, thank y'all so much for tuning in today. I want to say God bless to each and every one of y'all. Till we meet again, guys. Y'all be like a good night. Stay sharp.
Yeah. Let me tell you where I come from. Daddy didn't buy no imported junk, sold at the gas station by the pump. He reached in his pocket, grabbed that old stack, said this was made under the American flag. It wasn't stamped with a foreign name, it was forged in the fire, the American flame. First time I heard that snap, I knew I'd be bleeding red, white, and blue. I was